reporting live in
Get the babies.
News First 5.
Well, thanks. Well, of course, keep you updated on newsfirst5.com. And now, your first alert. Folks are digging out from the storm, but Mike, no need to put the shovels away yet.
Get the baby out. Get the baby out. You got the baby out. You got it out. Get the other babies. Good girl. Good girl, get the babies. Oh, you got another baby out. Get another baby. Get the other babies. Get the babies. Get them out of there, Zoe. Get the other babies. Hurry. Get the other babies. Zozo. Get those babies. Get them. Get them. Get the baby. Hurry. Hurry, get the other baby. Oh, there she's got the baby. What a good girl. What a good girl got the babies. Is there another baby? Is there another one? Oh, there's another baby. Get the other baby. Get the other baby, Zoe. There's another baby in there. Get it. Get the other baby. One more. Oh, what a good girl. She got all the egg babies. What a good girl.